Good afternoon, everyone, and my group are here to present our topology. Our topology is a gaming company. The type of topology that we have is a tree. Here, you can see in this part is our admin. And here is the marketing and IT. And at the bottom part, we have the sound engineer and other game designers.
So para po dun sa features ng topology namin, makikita natin dito na may nakapag-communicate yung mga workspaces within the department. Then dito po sa taas, kaya ng workstations ng admins na ma-contact or ma-access yung workspaces gamit yung inter-VLAN routing.
So ito po yung conclusion ng aming gaming company topology and networking. So dito, mapapansin nyo po is meron dito yung 2 floors ng admins. Kaya banggit lang kanina ni Jed tsaka ni AJ. So ito ay admins, tapos ito yung game servers. So mapapansin nyo, yung game servers ay madami dahil syempre gaming company, ina-expect natin na madaming player base na pwedeng pumasok. So ngayon, dito naman sa kabilang side, ito yung isang floor na pwedeng mga ibang employees ng company. So, marketing at yung IT. Hindi na natin in-expand pa yung other parts ng mga employees ng company, pero you get the gist na yung isang floor ay dedicated for all the employees. Ngayon, sa baba dito ng marketing and IT, is nandito yun naman yung mga iba't ibang game developers. So, isang malaking branch ng game developers daw yan. So, ayun nga, so pinakita dito yung narrative designs, nandyan yung mga sound engineer, audio engineer, lahat yan. Tapos ito yung mga 3D animations, nandito yung 3D animations, tapos yung mga ibang game dev. So, yung client kasi is nangingi daw ng very discrete design or magandang networking. So, dahil multi-floor, so binigay lang muna namin yung general topology ng networking bago namin i-approve sa client namin. So, yun lamang yung topology namin. So, thank you, Arriba Letran.